In front of me is Motorola Moto G72, and today I would like to show you where you can access all your downloads on this Motorola. Firstly, just look for an app called Files, and when you find it, access it. Now just continue over here in order to use Files app and tap on Browse in the middle at the bottom. Then select Downloads category over here, and as you can see, all my downloaded files are located here. If you wish to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!